Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to my kitchen. And today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make golden chicken in Crockpot. So I marinated with a pinch of salt, like pepper, and smoked paprika to making a golden. I'm going to brown the chicken here. 1 tablespoon olive oil. So I'm going to brown the chicken for a couple of minutes. Put the skin down. Let it brown. Soup of chicken, cup of water, like the goodness coming out. Black pepper and spoon of salt. I place the chicken into the crock pot. Rinse seasoning, soup in. For ranch seasoning. Oh, I love the smell. Good. Chicken gravy, 3 tablespoons. Oh, I love the smell. That. Cover up. So I'm going to put low for 8 hours. So I'll be back after 8 hours. Just check this out. See, the chicken will fall apart. Look how creamy is this. If you like my video, leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you for the next video.